Good morning. This tutorial will show you how to add in a Google slide for each student. Please go to google.com and then log in with whatever account you need to. Click on your apps, click on Classroom, Classwork. We're going to create an assignment. Click on the Add button. If you have a previous Google slide that you want kiddos to see, go ahead and click on Google Drive. If you don't previously have a Google slide set up, go ahead and go back, go into a new tab, Make sure you're in the correct account, click on your apps, go ahead and click on slide. You're going to click on blank to create a new one. I'm going to title this one Fake Presentation. Click up here to title it. And now it's automatically in your Google Drive. Go back to your assignment. Go ahead and click Add. Go to Google Drive. Make sure you're in Recent. Right here it says students can view file. Students can edit that file, or you can make a copy for each student. So if you want each student to work on their own fake presentation slide, you're going to click here, stick your instructions here, put whichever class you want it to be assigned for, which students, how many points you want this assignment, the due date, which topic you're going to have it under, and go ahead and click Assign. I hope this helped you.